Hello, good morning, everyone. Let me know if you can hear me. Test, test, test. Let's get this up. Good morning. Right, good morning, everyone. Let's have a look at the markets. Let's get my journal in as well. There's a strong buy right now. Let's just get a fib level in. It's been a while since we've gone live, but it's be good. It's kind of good to be back. Oh, this is actually a good key level here. 50% fib level plus the support level here that was previously created. And then we've got this level here, which was a 38.2, which is a great bounce to the 23.6. Really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write this up on, and what I'm going to do is also set an alert. So if it breaks this level here, oh, and it's already broken. Could be a trade coming through here. Right, let's get some music on. I just need to send the signals through as well. Today is the 13th of June, Monday. So I'm just updating my journal. I have my journal on Notions. What I'm doing is just writing my analysis out. So here we are. Let's set the pending up as well. It's coming down quite nicely. Question is, do we enter a small position now or do we wait for the retest? Can you guys hear me okay? Just waiting for this to retest. Morning, Kay Bricknell. I hear you fine. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks for commenting. I haven't been live for a while, so it's nice to know you guys watching are real people. Just waiting for this retest now. Question is, I may miss the entry. There might be one right now. I may leave us. Just waiting for this position here. Come on, what's the time? 57. Yeah, we've got 3 minutes. 11 o'clock will come. The point is, this could actually just leave us, so we should have something like this as a trade idea. But I decided to be conservative, and let's just wait. Hopefully, we get a push down, and then we join in. Well, I can't even send a goddamn signal. The TPM. Oh, here we go. Next bar's in. Yeah, this is my second YouTube account. So this one's just dedicated for FX only. As you saw, the other one kind of turned straight into crypto. But as crypto's eating shit, we focus on FX. We move and we adapt. All right, so with this, what we want to write up on our analysis is we just go on to the 1 hour for now quickly. We put both charts in, and then we're going to type. It looks like it's going to go from here. This is the idea I literally just said a minute ago. We could have had the earlier entry, but you know what? I'm still going to hold the pending because most likely it will wick in. That's the pending signal. So so let's just quickly write through. So we had our NFP, I believe. No, it wasn't NFP. It was a CPI. Inflation reports. That's what it was. So inflation CPI had moved gold to new levels and pushed for a bullish momentum. Today, gold on the London Open has done a retracement down to 1852. This pullback hits 18. What's this level here? 1860. Hey, Ant, how's it going? Good morning. Hit 1860 first, which was a 38.2 fib level, and touched the 23.6 fib before dropping to 50% fib plus support zone plus moving average area. Okay. And your mic's muted, I'm assuming, if you want to join, so I don't have to be as lonely. I'm Mr.
You're right. You're right.
I have nobody for my. Oh, yeah, I'm good, bro. Good morning. Just got some lo-fi playing at the moment, and I'm just writing up my analysis. Signals are sent as well. So hit moving averages area. Okay, cool. So then at what's the time here? At 10 o'clock. At 10, we hit the support zone at 1852 and bounced. We have a pending there which looks to trigger soon. Cool. Hey, what's happening, AM? It's been a while, brother. Welcome back. Welcome back to me as well. I haven't been away for a while, haven't I? I'm tempted to enter here. Well, it's going to trigger me soon. Come on, trigger me. Oh shit, am I going to miss out? My thing's fucking messing up. I can't even get my MT4 open. Motherfucker. The one time I had it open. Okay, here we go. Cool. There we go, it's working. Right, I'm entering. I wasn't triggered, but I'm entering. Quickly send the signal. Send the price. Price 183.92. Oh shit, that's not. 185.92. Nice. We're in profit though. Right, TP's the same. Let's move our take profits up. Oh shit, did I get triggered on my other account? Oh, managing multiple accounts is not fun. Motherfucker, I missed it by a pip. That's okay. I just have to let this one go. Tuning in all the way from Indonesia, bruv. Subscribed yesterday and looking forward to the upcoming vids. Love, my brother. You got the Peaky Blinders display picture. Thank you very much. Definitely more and more content coming through. The dedicated FX channel has definitely been pretty good and well received. It's just completely FX, no other thing. So I appreciate all of you guys. It's been really well received. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. Right, so we've got TP1 and TP2, which I've set. So I'm just going to let this run. Oh wow, the views on this channel is doing really well. Check this out. We've done. That's pretty good. Like these are broken 2K. This is nearly broken 1K when I went to get my AMG. I was actually supposed to get another card this year, but I've had so many L's. I'll make a video about that actually. That'll be a good video. It's pretty cool. Thanks for all the support. It's really fun. We've got live trading today. And also today we're going to go through obviously live trading. If this trade hits take profit, then that will be done today. And then I'm going to finish off writing this article here, which I have for these signals. Which will talk about fuck the victim mentality. So I'll write that whilst doing that. And then also I've got my journal at the moment, which I've just completely updated. Actually, do you know what? There must be a way I can get the journal here so I can share with you. It's just not dark mode though, which is not fun. Is there a way to put dark mode on here? It must be. My oath. So, is there a way you can dark mode Notion web app? Doesn't look like you can. Okay, well, let me just share this with you guys. Which do you guys prefer, the screen view? Do you prefer it if we're like on the left hand side, or do you prefer us at the bottom like this? Could you guys let me know? Be pretty cool if you could let me know. So here we have obviously the breakdown of the trade. So obviously this is where we talked about the journaling and the breakdown. If I just hide this, inflation had moved gold to new levels because obviously it was at its all-time highs. We had a push of a bullish momentum movement on Friday. So today on gold London Open, we had a retracement down. We can see on this 38.2 level here, we bounced and then hit 23.6. So really nice structure. Hit the resistance, pull back down onto here, which is the 1852 zone. And then obviously the pullback is hit and hit the 50% Fibonacci support zone plus moving average. So very, very strong confluence area of a buy. At 10 o'clock, we hit this, so great time zone. So something we teach in the APM1, which is always about time zones. So we put in all the pieces of the puzzle together. And then now we have a pending, which was triggered soon. And then obviously the pending missed by 1 pip. But I decided to enter, but missed entry on the FTMO account, but got it on the other two. So pending, set a pending at the set a pending, which looks like it will. My dyslexia, mate, not helpful. So we're on 15 minutes. I'll get the 5-minute chart up. Just copy that image and send that through, and then we'll update it a little bit later in a minute. Okay, we'll keep the photo on the left side then. You have any trades this morning, Ant?
No trades for me. Obviously, you know that I stopped taking trades between 9 and 10. Mm-hmm. So I posted that chart in the chat, which would have triggered me in at 9, but I haven't taken it because I've got like a 90% loss rate if I take trades on the DAX between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So I'm not going to take it.
Okay, that's fair enough then.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. It's weird not looking at DAX. No, I'm not looking at DAX anymore. Wow, support broken. I wouldn't have got a trade today on this anyway. So I mean, right now I know this is really controversial, but I'll probably be looking at a buy. So if it breaks this upper region here, I'll look for a buy.
Oh, that would be risky though, because everything's just, like
Tanking.
shit in the bed. Yeah. So
yeah, this is why crypto's tanking as well. Let's have a look at this on the weekly.
Yeah, but crypto's tanking as well because of that Celsius thing as well. Well, ETH.
Yeah, staked ETH. Yeah.
Yeah.
We could probably come down to 1247, and then that will bounce. And then once we retest these highs, we will take out these highs. So we're looking at 2023 before our next bull run. It's gonna be a long way away.
Definitely.
It's a good time for us to be fucking focusing and double down on making shitload as we can on FX and then dump it into crypto.
That is the plan. It's all about who's holding cash now. If you've got cash, you're laughing. Just sit on your hands until it gets to a good opportunity to buy.
Exactly that. And I'm trying to obviously take trading to that next level now. Seems like we're on, like, me and you on a different path but a similar path. Do you know what I mean? Like we're kind of like reviewing at the same time, which is interesting, and then just trying to take it to the next level. And like, for example, you've restarted your funding and I've kind of restarted my approach to trading, which is really interesting. It feels really weird to trade gold, but...
So have you stopped trading the DAX completely?
No, but I'm not gonna look at it much. Like today, I haven't even looked at it until you said it. I'll just come in gold, did my analysis on gold. I did some self-development this morning, and it's kind of nice because this morning I ended up, like, instead of spending time, like, because my current routine at the moment for DAX, or the previous routine, was I wake up like 7 or something, try and get there and have an analysis before 7:30. Have my coffee, do my stuff. I used to wake up at 5 or 6, but as you get, like, just getting more comfortable, it gets harder. That's the truth. And I just can't be arsed. I think, like, part of me is like, I've not made it, don't get me wrong, but maybe I'm getting replacement. But I was thinking, I no longer need to hustle at 5. Just enjoy a little bit of sleep, get that extra hour of sleep. Like all the hustle when I was younger, I deserved that hour. So I do that. And then now the fact that I'm trading gold, it gives me all this time in the morning, and I quite enjoy it. It's quite different because in the morning when that's normally it's quite rushed, because as you know, liquidity at 8 o'clock is the most, is when you get the most, right? So even if you're not trading DAX at 8, you need to be there at 8 to watch what happens, and then you can decide what's going to happen for the rest of the day. But for gold, I was pretty happy. I just woke up and I'll start at 10. Today started at 10:50, so I can also live stream without any stress. I did all my admin stuff this morning, had breakfast, fed the dog, really nice, slow and chilled, and log on at 10:50, and that's it. Now we just got first trade in, and then I'm going to add to it if it comes lower. If not, then if it hits take profit, it's done.
Right. So then what time do you stop trading? Is it like 4, 5? Like, what's your time?
No, I won't stop trading anymore. So what I'll do is I'm going back to my old ways. So when I was young, I used to trade all day. So from 10:50, I'll just trade all day. I won't sit here all day, but what I'll do is we'll have 1 hour session now. So here until 12 or 11:50, whatever, right? And then I will check the charts whenever an alert is hit. I won't sit here all day, but I will trade when necessary. So for example, the next trade idea I have is if we break up to 1867, then I'll have a buy at 1861, and then that could hit at 4 o'clock, let's say, right? Because that gives it enough time. Then I'll just set an alert when it hits 1857. So I'm going to do that right now. And then when this alert triggers, I'll do another alert at 1860, and then I'll set the buy here.
Right.
And it doesn't matter what time that hits, right? So it's kind of swing trading in essence.
Right.
It's swing but not swing. You just got to wait for it, because there's no point me sitting there all fucking day waiting for this trade when I can just set an alert and just come and check it. I've got loads of other things to do.
Right.
But I also don't want to miss the opportunity. So, but I need the morning to, like, when we did the back test, you can see in the morning that the movement isn't as clean, and also I don't need to. Most of the movement is the afternoon. And then you get a very slow liquidity movement between now and 3, but normally you can still get a good trade in. So But I'll
Right.
be doing more back testing anyway. So the more back testing I'll do, the more info we will get.
Right. Cool. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Actually, I'm gonna be back testing the DAX, but I really just want to get more trades on the DAX because right about now I'm getting like 2 trades a week, like 3 if I'm lucky. I want something that's a bit more active as well alongside that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So like here, for example, so this back testing. So here we can see different times. You can confirm the strategy works within, obviously, securing profits at TP1 zone must be fair because this will pay out and it's less stressful. Also, if this was 12%, I think, so 12.26R. We did this together, I think, on the stream.
Yeah.
14th of June, 3 wins, 3 losses. That would have made 126k on a 1 mil account. The given period here is obviously the accumulation. We couldn't find any. We did this yesterday, right? And then yesterday on the webinar we did this, which you were there for. And then same again, here is another win. I just kept doing back testing. You can see you still get movements in the periods that I'm traded in. So I'm just going to do it more and more to solidify. And then it goes back to which one is it? So do you know what? Let's talk about this in today's video for everyone. So please pay attention. So I think this is really helpful. So please listen to this because this can help your trading because it helped me. So the thing is, and actually, like Anton can testify to this, but I think the single most important thing to make you a profitable trader is consistency, right? And of course, risk management and trading discipline and many other factors come into play. But I think consistency is number one because you can have risk management, but if you don't have consistency in your risk management, then it doesn't matter. You can have, your trading strategy, but if you're not consistent on it, it doesn't matter, right? So consistency is above all of it. There are 3 steps in order to keep the consistency going in a trade. And the number one is the first important step is journaling, right? Like, because your journaling is always key because you can't manage what you don't measure and you can't measure what you don't manage. So you need to understand what it is you're doing wrong or what you're doing right. And the only way you can do that is by journaling and seeing and reviewing. So from that, you must keep a track of where you are. In any case, obviously trading, we need to follow our rules and follow our risk management, and we can only do that if we write on a daily basis, did we follow our rules, yada, yada, yada. Number 2 is confidence. The more confidence you have in trading, the better the understanding you will have of your strategy and the better you understand and have confidence with your trading. Because if you've ever had a losing streak, it really sucks. It's really not fun. And I get it. I've been through it because when you start doing like 10 losses in a row, you start questioning, can you trade? You start questioning your strategy? You start questioning a lot of things. And really and truly, there's nothing wrong with your strategy. It's just part of the process potentially. So you got to have confidence in that. And the confidence is built through trial and error. Your confidence is built through back testing. And your confidence is built through your understanding of your own strategy. Do you understand everything that you're doing? And this is the best. This is like my favorite bit. Let's do this. Do you understand what you're doing and why you are doing it? I think that is so key. Lastly is the belief. Muhammad Ali said, before he became the greatest, he had to believe he was the greatest. So many times in our life when we want to accomplish something, we can't, others will have doubt in our ability. So you guys want to be trading, you guys want to be traders. Someone will doubt you. You may even have doubts, but you have to believe. Because as Steve Harvey says, with a little bit of faith and a little bit of grace, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. The reason is they're putting their limitations on you. Remember, just because it hasn't worked for someone else doesn't mean it can't work for you. We're all different and we all have our own approach. So believe that you can, believe in the process that works, and believe that the outcome will come, and believe that the person or the trader you wish to become, and it will happen and the rest will come history. So combine all of these 3, and there is no reason why you won't succeed in this trading. It's just depending on what you define as success and what it is you define to achieve in this trading matter. Okay, so being consistent in your trading strategy and managing your rules, having the confidence because you've put the work in, that will lead you to believing in the process. So I think that's a really important factor for everyone to learn. So I hope this helped, guys. And we're off to the moon. And then also I wanted to go off of that. I think Anton, I was going to say, with your trading, I definitely think the same. You should be taking, like, you're not getting enough opportunities. I think you're like, you're doing really well, but I think you don't need like necessarily like 100 opportunities, but I do think if you're doing like 5 or 6 a week, maybe even 8 a week, that's much better than doing 1 or 2. Because if you do 1 or 2, you're not really gonna be eating.
But the thing is with this new strategy, it's like I'm able to get like a 15 like basically, but it's just like
yeah.
I'm gonna be like bored like the majority of the time.
Then to have 2
So
strategies.
yeah, so that's what I'm working on now. I'm gonna be working on like trading the DAX more intraday. It's like just normal, just break and retest, but like just on like an hour, like hourly chart, like what you're doing basically, what you
Yeah,
showed
I
in the
got
back
2.
test yesterday.
Yeah, I got 2 strategies for gold. I've got one for 1 hour and then 1 15 minutes. Same strategy though, just different time zones.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm gonna adopt as well, and maybe just trade it on a different account. So at least I'm still like active rather than like just sitting on my hands. But in order to pass these prop firm challenges, I think I'm just gonna stick to like the 2 trades a week, and yeah, just do it that
But then
way.
you don't want to miss out and then not pass it within the 60-day period.
Mm,
Just be wary of that. But to be honest, you should be fine anyway. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
yeah, it's true. It's true. It's like I'm at phase 1 now, and then I just need 2 more%, and then I'm on to phase 2. So
Shit, I
yeah,
forgot
just
what TP I set.
taking my time. But this was a good trade on gold, though.
Thank you, brother. It's 158. It's my TP. What is this? 2 point thing.
Yeah, but gold is not for me. That is just too volatile for me.
It's only volatile at 3 o'clock. Look, it's pretty clean right now, right? If this was DAX, you would take this trade.
Yeah. It does look clean now. But then just looking at some of the previous like history, like what was it Friday? It just had like a dirty drop, and then it just whipped
Woo!
up.
Imagine
Yeah,
if you bought here. Jeez. Would have got paid, bro.
yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
God. Give me my take profit. I could do with a decent Monday. Hey, it's not a Zoom link that we have. It's it's on StreamYards and it's for the course members. So if you want to join our team, which I think everyone should. You can join. You can buy signals or you can buy the APM course, either or, and you'll be able to have access onto the stream. And see, on gold here, we literally just hit this slight little resistance, but I don't want to draw it. I want to draw it just so you can see, but I'm not going to leave this in. I'm going to delete it in a minute. Let's give this time to some breathe. Pull back here on gold. Was so close. Maybe that resistance was something I should have set my TP1 up. Would have been the 2.6R. It's okay. We wait. Just patient with it. What's the time? Coming into 11:30 now. So next 30-minute candle will be in. Right, I'm going to listen to some Vibo. There was music playing out, but it was actually on my headphones. La 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 la. Which one should we listen to today? Should we listen to Diddy, Tony Robbins, 50 Cent, The Power of Thinking Big? There must be a positive thinking one, actually. Positive. Must be, come on. Just making money. Should be The Power of Positive Thinking, I think. Successful, how to be successful, the billionaire mindset, Vibo, positive thinking. Here we go, 11:30 candles in, and this motherfucker's pulling all the way down. Power thinking big, the winning attitude. Which one should we use? Well, if this comes a bit lower, then I'm going to add to it. Bum, 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 bum. Let's have a quick look on the 1 hour. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm still happy with this trade. I'll let it, if it has to take me out, it will take me out. For now, it's a good trade. Everything of this trade makes sense, so I was hoping that would hit take profit before 11:30. Now we probably have to wait another 15 minutes. So we have a question here. So why do all people do SMC when I tried? The win ratio is very low among the price action, a little bit confused which to use. I don't know what SMC is. I'm assuming it's a strategy online that people are taught. But I think at the end of the day, if it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work for you. The most important thing is most strategies do work to an extent. So you just got to, smart money concept. That's what I was thinking. But is there a trading strategy on smart money concept? What's the concept, Anton? So institutional investors, market means central banks. Smart money also refers to force influences financial markets. But how would you execute on this? But the concept of smart money is the same in stocks as it is in gambling. Following smart money investing involves finding the most successful investors and buying the same stocks as they do. Well, then if you copy someone, you'll never be the number one. Like they say, if you're a copycat, you'll always be number 2. But if you do it yourself, then you'll always be number 1. Pom, pom, pom. Oh, okay. Supply. Yeah, like Anton's right. So he's the same as me, right? All strategies work. You just got to find one that works for you. How do you find one that works for you? Trial and error. Remember, you must fail 100 times, and all you need to do is succeed once. Once you succeed once, the rest is history. Why do I know? Because that's me. I failed many, many, many times. Many, many. I still fail now. Look at my crypto. That's a massive fail at the moment. But it's okay. We get up, we dust ourselves on the shoulders, and we try again. Hope that helps you. I can't say your name, so I'm going to call you Rahul because I can read your second part of your name, but not the first. Right, back to finding a vibo. The winning attitude. Here, I'll share with you guys what I'm listening to. We just wait. So the second opportunity was there to add, but I missed the chance to add to the position. Could have doubled up or add another 0.5%, but it's okay. Structure was there. Let it be. It's Monday. Monday normally my slow days. So let's just see. I still think the level should be hit and TP should be hit, and hopefully TP should be hit before 12 o'clock. So I have a normal supply and demand strategy in which win rate is 710, working on demo account and pass the MFF challenge. There you go then. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's perfect. Keep it simple. Make your money. If you can pass the challenge, that's all you need to do. Just make money. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. It's fun. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a while since I got live again. It's pretty fun. Thanks, Anton, for joining as well, bro. Gives me some motivation to come back on.
Morning.
Hello. Morning, my brother. How are you?
Just finished my endless Monday meetings.
So Dorlet asks, how can I join you right now? To join us, you just have to be part of the course or part of the signals. That's it, which is on this link right here on the link tree. How's your weekend, UA?
Not bad, not bad. Back with MK. Just chill.
Nice. I'm trading your favorite pair, gold.
They're no buying on go. Actually, no, you're buying go today, isn't it?
You should watch the webinar. Did a back test yesterday. Was you in there, sir? You was yesterday, wasn't you?
Yeah, using me to asking, oh, is it sound okay? You are, yeah, I'm still good.
Oh yeah, that's it. I got bad memory. Yeah.
Yeah, I watched that yesterday, so I kind of know what I'm looking for, but I do need to wipe the whole chart to have a clean start again, because some of my sewing is like, where'd that come from? Where's that come from? Where'd that come from?
If you're gonna do that, I recommend just Sundays, isn't it? It's always my favorite day. Sunday, just log in and do it. Or if you're busy on Sunday and you want to have your time, you're here on Monday morning with me anyway. Just do it here now. Just update the charts, you know.
Yep. A lot of stuff dropping today.
Yeah, markets are fucked. Inflation. It's the
following
from last week.
Second, sorry.
Oh shit. Yeah, DAX dropped. Whoa, fucking hell, crypto, Jesus, fuck.
I know. I got notification. The crypto is like 0.10 now. Like
yeah. Fuck, we broke $1 trillion market cap. Fuck.
Well, what's that mean? Let me look at your screen
Basically,
properly.
we're fucked.
Thanks.
Bitcoin's going to come down to 20k, and then I'm going to have to sell a liver.
You mean kidneys?
I'll sell the kidneys and the liver.
You can have. Is that third of liver left? I think.
I'll sell it all, mate.
That's alright. You got a healthy life. As long as you don't drink too much, you don't need a liver.
Yeah, I don't need them all.
What, BTC is literally heading to 20k. So if it breaks 20k, that means it's going to like 15, 10k. I wouldn't like write it off. That's insane.
Let's not talk about it.
Man, I feel sorry for the people of El Salvador, man. That's crazy. That's mad.
Buy the dip, they said. It'll be fun, they said. I'm actually not even live tomorrow. I started on the wrong week. I'm at Ascot tomorrow.
Ooh, fancy.
I've never been.
Dressed up?
Yeah, I've got my suit behind me just off the dry clean. I've never been at Ascot, so the one of my mates has got a table, so it was really bougie.
I think you got a something when you buy a watch, though, isn't it? You got a ticket when you buy a watch.
I don't know. With my watch, they were supposed to give me a football game.
Okay.
No, but you'll have fun. You'll enjoy it. I've been in Windsor. It was alright.
Yeah, I like drinking. It's good weather as well, so. And I like gambling as well, so I just gamble on horses.
Exactly.
I think it's better than gambling on the market, I guess.
Come on.
Oh, I missed the entry, did I? Yeah, I saw the signals.
Come on. Don't be a twat. Come on. Send it. Don't be a dickhead. Come on, don't be stingy. Just a little bit more. Come on.
Yeah, technically he's on the sign.
Yeah, I already learnt that lesson earlier. That was the zone for the pullback, and then could have added position. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Come on. Come on, you fucking twat. Yeah. It's quite funny because if I'm trading this by myself, I have like no emotions, but because I'm live, I'm making all these weird noises.
Wow, all my watching is red today. Gosh.
Alright, fine. Fuck you, close. I've got shit signals.
Oh, okay, it's $3. Gosh. Man.
All right then. That was 2.78R. Why is that not showing the same? This is still gonna. I still think this is gonna run and hit 2p. But I wanted to secure it. First trade on Monday. New strategy. Give myself some confidence. Done. Well done to me.
Yay.
If I added as well, if we look at that, I would have been a double position, and this is going to go and hit TP now. Good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. Daniel. Not my name. Trade idea was good. Honestly, could have left it to hit TP at 1858, but to close here at the zone gives confidence still above 2.5 R and second touch. It will still run as I believe TP1, TP2 will hit, but doesn't matter. Secure it. Build confidence to approach and strategy. Come back, rinse, repeat. Okay, so what we do now is we go back onto the 1 hour chart. Ooh. And then we set the same trades again. I'm actually going to set a pending down here again. Free money today. Well done, everyone. There we go. Set the net signal as well.
My song is slightly lower.
Yeah, that ended up hitting TP anyway, just under shy of 158.
Oh, okay.
And there we go. This will hit TP as I said. So rinse repeat. Okay, we'll just move this down now, and then the next trade. I've got the next trade already. So next, oh shit. Trade. Okay. It is a sin to be poor. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Well done. Look at that run, baby. Woo! TP2 is about to hit.
Do you just close the TP1 one then, I guess?
Mine's all, yeah, I've completely closed mine.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, I wanted to secure it I know part of me should really let this run, but I think because I want to build the confidence and build the account, because two things: it's a new strategy and it's a new week, and I knew, well, I had confidence it was going to hit this, but I just wanted to close it. It was a good amount.
Okay.
But you can see TP1 hit, and then TP2 should be coming soon.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. That's pretty much done. We will be back on Wednesday. I'll come again on Wednesday morning. Tomorrow I'm in Ascot. Today done. Today we had one trade win in 1 hour. It was pretty cool. Back on Wednesday, and I'll see you Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to write some content up for the signals content as well, so check that out. Anything you want, any requests you want me to rake while you're on it?
Can't think of anything yet. I may think of something on Wednesday.
Cool. Yeah, think of something. We'll go for it Wednesday. All right, everyone, if you can smash that like button, just drop a comment in the video, and I'd massively appreciate it. And
can you on the signal? Do you mind just have the gold chart up, but the highest time scale, because I can't see where's that zone come from the lower zone. Yeah, I just don't know where you draw that lower zone. That's all. Because mine was slightly lower, but I'm not sure I'm gonna draw it wrong or something.
No, remember, you're never drawing it wrong. You're just drawing it differently. This zone, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I just don't know how that being determined.
Let me send it to you. So, this one was determined by, if we go into a lower time frame, this was the first resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. It broken through multiple times, resistance, and then it became a support again. Right. To be honest, it is a tiny bit lower, I think. Yeah, it's a tiny bit lower because then it hits this cleaner as well, but yeah, whatever. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yep.
And not just that as well, it's also a 50% Fibonacci level, moving average level, so it was a very good buy, a very strong buy.
Okay.
That's a very good buy. Very good trade.
Okay. Yeah, I draw my one back in November, I think. Just
pat on the back to me. November, yeah, you need to update your charts. Unless it's a yellow zone, which is like a weekly one. November.
Yeah, I think I extend that one since November.
Yeah, there really
November
isn't one.
The 17, 16-ish.
This one.
Oh wow, weekly. I never used a weekly one before.
Yeah, you probably should definitely update your charts.
Yeah, I'm probably just going to do what you did on Sunday, wipe the whole thing and just draw again.
Yeah, it's clean that way, isn't it?
Yeah, I lost some. I don't know where it come from. Where's that stone come from? That kind of thing. So if I don't know, then it can't be useful. So best do.
Yeah, very, very good statement. If you don't know, it can't be useful. Very, very good statement.
All right, I will work on that today then. Cool.
Good man.
Homework for myself.
All right. And thanks for jumping in. Thanks for jumping in. Appreciate you both. Makes my trading day less boring.
No worries. All right, see you tomorrow, lads. Well, enjoy Ascot. Peace.
Yeah, Wednesday. I'll probably be. I'll still trade tomorrow on my phone. But yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday morning at 10:45. All right.
Okay, cool. Take care, guys.
Safe, man. See ya.
Yep. All right.